Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be creating the Foxy Eye look. It's been a massive trend lately and I really wanted to try it out for a while. So yeah, let's get started. So I've prepped my face already. I've done all my face makeup because it's an eye tutorial, so I wanted to just do the eyes. So I'm going to be using my Laura Geller. It's a really cute palette. It's so cute. It's the Laura Geller New York. It doesn't have a name on it. It's got 6 shades. I think it's from something to do with a chocolate. I can't remember, but it's really cute. It's got these 6 shades here and it's really good. I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm going to get these 2 colours here. Now I've already put on eye primer at this point. I'm going to put that all over my eyelid up to the brow bone as well. I'm going to take this brush, I'm not sure what it is, but it's from Shein and it's really good. It's quite small. That's a good brush. So I'm going to take the same palette and I'm going to take this shade here. We're going to create a line like here, and it's going to start from the lower lash line and just work up. So literally just follow the lower lash line. Some people are using eyeliner for this, but I want it to be a bit more smoky, not as bold. I want it to be more sort of nude, and I'm going to be putting some darker colour in there, but I want to keep it quite muted really. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This one's also from Shein. I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to bring that along my lash line, just on the outer corner. We don't want to go all the way. I'm going to be taking a bigger brush. This is the MASQD. Okay, it's a concealer brush, but I use it for eyeshadow because that's not really a concealer brush in my opinion. Now I'm going to take the same shade again and I'm just going to go over the outside, the outer corner of my eye. And link it up to that line, just make sure it's very linked up. And we want to be blending that out just a little bit. We don't want to blend it out too much. We want to be blending it out just a little bit. We don't want any harsh lines for this look. Now I'm going to take the setting brush. It's another setting brush, but it's got no product on it. It's just clean. I'm going to just blend that out a little bit. You don't want any product going on, just literally blending out what's already there. With the Foxy Eye, it's very much a slanted look, so you want your eye to be very like that, quite elongated. Yeah, basically very clean. You know, it's very much a unique look. It's sort of very similar to the cat eye trend, but it's just slightly more slanted, I'd say. Now I'm going to take the concealer brush again, the same colour again. I'm going to go along the crease. I don't want too much, okay? I don't want this to be too dark, so I'm going to really blend that out. I don't want it to go all the way in as well. I want it focused on the outer of the eye. Now you want to take a fluffy brush, this is my setting brush again, and blend it out. Just really blend it out. Make sure it's very very smoky, not too bold. You don't want it too sharp. I'm going to take this white, sort of like a creamy shade here, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. Now I'm going to take a really small eyeliner brush. What is this? I use it for, okay, it's a accent brush. It's basically a really small brush. I use it for eyeshadow, normally on the lower lash line. I'm going to take this darker brown shade here. I'm going to go along my lash line, but only the outer section of it, and take it in to about, I'd say probably like halfway, maybe halfway, and then we're gonna sweep it up to the line we've already done. As you can see, my eye is quite sort of elongated. It looks much longer, more slanted, you know. So now I'm going to take a sort of a lightish bronzer kind of thing. It's kind of a goldy kind of bronzer. It's very light. And I'm going to take that on a really nice fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna almost contour my eye. So I want to be focusing on the outside and just really make sure it is all blended in, basically. And that was the Elizabeth Arden. It's called a highlighter illuminator in, I don't know what this palette's called. Now, I'm just gonna say this is the palette I'm using, but you can use any palette really that's sort of browns, nudes, like quite muted sort of nudie colours. So now I'm gonna do the inner sort of cat eye bit. I'm gonna take the dark brown from this palette again. You can use eyeliner, you know, anything really, but or even black eyeshadow, but I just want it to be kind of quite natural. I don't want it to be too bold. You want to follow the lash line and just bring it down and make it that little bit longer. Just want to make it sort of more elongated. Just really accentuate that, bring it down. Now for the eyebrows, you want to make your eyebrows quite, again, quite slanted. You want to really lift the eyebrows, you know. The Foxy Eye is all about giving you a lift, just really lifting your eyes and your face. So you want to be brushing your eyebrows right up. Now I'm going to be using Wonder Brow brow gel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my spoolie, and I'm going to get some on there. This is just going to set the eyebrows in the right place where you want them, and also darken them up. And keep brushing them up. You want to make sure you're brushing them up and out. a lot of people that have done this Foxy Eye look have gone for a slightly more fluffy brow look, and I quite like that actually. Now I haven't really tried this fluffy brows apart from when I've done my tiger makeup. Now you can see the difference between the eyebrows. This one looks much higher. Yeah, basically. Now I'm just using my Maybelline Brow Satin. I'm using the sponge end and just filling in my brows. Now you want to bring the eyebrow out, obviously, for the tail. And I'll just bring it out. You don't want to go down too much. Just focus on bringing it out. I'm going to take my highlighter. This is from I Heart Revolution. It's called Marzipan Heart, I think that's what it says. And it's really pretty. It's gold and white. Go under the brow and really brighten that area up and just really lift the eye, lift the brow.
Wow!
Do you like it?
Yeah! It's really subtle compared to what you normally do.
Now I'm going to be applying these lashes where I normally would, but I'm going to slightly on the outer corner bring it up. So I'm not going to have the outer corner on the lash line, it's going to be slightly higher. As you can see, it doesn't look great at the minute, but it's nearly done. So I've done just slightly slanted. I'm just going to take my Soap and Glory Cat Eye pen and I'm going to just put a little bit of eyeliner, not too much at all, just a tiny bit on the outer corner. You don't want to be going all the way along. I'm going to start about halfway and then just out. So here's the finished look. This look reminds me a bit of Kate Moss, kind of eye shape, face shape. I think it's very much a look that's been around for a while, and it's basically earned itself a name. I really like it actually. I really like this. Generally I go for much more bold looks. This is very, very natural for me, very nude, and I'm not used to it, but I actually quite like it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.